If you thought that this cabinet was for shot glasses, you'd be wrong. We are reviewing this neat little cabinet, which I'm using for my minis. Hey guys, what's going on? Michael here. So for those of you who have been watching my videos, you've seen that recently I have created quite a few pieces of terrain and miniatures. And it's high time that I got a nice looking way to display those pieces. After all, who doesn't love an awesome looking cabinet? So I purchased this cabinet from a company called Fine Wood Display, which sells through Amazon. The cabinet itself I'll be hanging with a French cleat, which was provided by the maker of this cabinet. He can do whatever you want, so if you need something custom, make sure to reach out to him and ask for it. For this install, I'll set 5 anchors into the wall and level out the French cleat before hanging the cabinet onto that bracket. The cabinet includes 2 rubber bumpers which you can install to keep it from marring your wall. The maker of this cabinet made these shelves adjustable for me so that I could change the height if I get tall miniatures that I want to display. It'll take me a while to decide all the miniatures that I want to display in this cabinet, but it's a nice way to put them out so that everybody can see them and keep some dust off of them. I'm very pleased with this purchase. This cabinet is of a simple design and it really lets the beauty of the walnut show through, and it doesn't detract from the miniatures that you're going to display into it. Although this was originally made for shot glasses, it's perfect for my purposes, and I encourage anybody to take a look at this if they're looking for a cool way to display their miniatures. Hey, if you like these videos and want to help me keep making them, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.